Hi, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to prep your nails to put your color straight on. First thing first, I like to use the cuticle oil. This is the one that I use. It is called Cuticle Naturale Luxury Spa Cuticle Oil, Milk and Honey. So this is the one that I made sure to check to see which one, what do you call it, like when you go through reviews and do a research, that's the word I was looking for, and I found this one was one of highly recommended. I have that same oil inside this, which is just like a pen, and you could use it for lip gloss, but I like to use it for the oil. So all you do is put it around like this. Feel free to put a lot on. You should keep it on for like a good 2 minutes is good enough. So I'm just going to pass forward and show you what to do next. So 2 minutes passed by and I actually put the timer, and you see how the oil is still there. This is how I do, just to push the cuticles in. This is not the way that you will cut them. I know some people are really against that, and I get it. I've read into it. But I know Brazilians for sure usually prefer to cut them. It just has a more clean look versus just pushing them in. I like using this one, this end. There is this one as well. You could kind of tell when you, not harsh, but just slowly start, pushing that towards there. You will feel like when it gets caught. That there is like something there, like right here. You feel, oh, okay, so that's probably a cuticle. So this is all you would do. You just push. See right there too. This is probably part of nail polish. You see that as well. So when this happens, I will cut that out so it doesn't hurt me later. But so if you see, these comes off pretty easy. Once you have the oil, it's pretty easy to come off. This is where some people just actually do this, wash your hands and leave it. I don't like having these little pieces like that, and that's why I use one of these. So it's not really cutting your cuticle, but it's kind of like just getting rid of these tiny little things like that. Just so then I don't get the hangnail. Especially on this one, if you guys could see how that's definitely is going to continue a hangnail. So I just try to get rid of that right away. And this one. These are just tiny little pieces that's sticking out. Right here, see there's like that. And this one for certain, that would hurt me later. Doesn't help that I have the habit of biting my nails, so when I can't bite my nails because I have pretty nail polish on, I bite the side of my nails, as you could tell. So that looks a lot cleaner than when it first started. So this is just kind of what I called, you know, just pushing the cuticles in. So then when you put the strips are nice and you don't have that like dry nail around it. So I will continue this video and then put probably part 2 to show you how I would do by actually cutting them. It's the same process, and now I'm just gonna go and cut the bigger pieces for you guys to see, not just the hangnails but actually going around. Okay,